Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, we look at the headlines. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launches Green Plus Meghalaya initiative and distributes focus program checks in Tura. Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee sworn in as Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone for Eklavya Model Residential School in Maulin Triang. Government to introduce QR code initiative for key subjects in schools, says Education Minister. And Meghalaya government targets academic improvement in low-performing districts. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today launched the Green Plus Meghalaya initiative and distributed checks under the focus program at the district auditorium in Tura. The event was organized by the Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. Addressing the event, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma stressed the significance of Green Plus Meghalaya in promoting sustainable development and environmental conservation. He also elaborated on the CM Elevated initiative, which focuses on economic growth through entrepreneurship and innovation.
CM Elevate ni truba dalo ya dapat daksakan ina putsanga utne bapa dapat investment ram putsanga sini state na da bainga jebong buanga bakya akan jawaha maina yang ko dalo sumerang dungja anga masia na simang ba speech na ko knanas change up check ra ko manas kinga ha onegaban.
Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee was sworn in today as the Chief Justice of the Meghalaya High Court. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijaya Shankar administered the oath of office at a ceremony held at Raj Bhavan's Darbar Hall. Justice Mukherjee assumes the role following the retirement of Chief Justice S. Vaidyanathan. Mukherjee is a member of a distinguished legal family. He was born on September 6, 1963. Mukherjee enrolled as an advocate on July 2, 1990 and practiced in the Calcutta High Court before being elevated to the bench on May 18, 2009. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually laid the foundation stone for a new Eklavya Model Residential School in Maulin Triang village under Mairang CNRD block from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. During the event, the Prime Minister also inaugurated 40 Eklavya Model Residential School and laid the foundation for 25 new Eklavya Model Residential School at the cost of Rs 2,800 crore. Mairang MLA Metbat Lingdo expressed his gratitude to the landowner who generously donated over 15 acres for the school's construction. He said that this new school will significantly benefit students from Maulin Triang and surrounding areas. The Meghalaya government is implementing technological solutions to address educational challenges, particularly in areas with limited internet connectivity. To bridge this gap, the government is taking efforts to expand mobile and internet coverage across the state. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that as part of modernization efforts by the government, the plan is to introduce QR codes for key subjects such as social science, science and mathematics, starting from the next academic session to help students to assess explanation and solve exam questions easily.
The area in terms of connectivity, but I'm happy today. Government is planning to have this the textbook. Especially the English, the mathematics, science, and SST will be having a QR code. we're planning to roll out from next academic session. So where all the topics will be conceptual, briefing and teaching, video teaching will be there, and all the questions will be solved, both of the board exam as well as the textbook questions and all.
The state government is focusing on improving academic outcomes in districts with low board exam performance and high dropout rates. Targeted programs are being introduced under the CM Impact program to address these issues. The government aims to increase the pass percentage by allowing students to appear for board exams twice a year. These initiatives follow the 2024 Meghalaya Board of School Education Class 10 exam results, which recorded a 55.80% pass rate, the second best in 5 years. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that the government is determined to further improve academic performance and reduce dropout rates through these reforms.
We have prepared special attention to launch certain program in the CM Impact program from the Education Department. We're reaching out to every district with a mission, so that, and also we have adopted different policies to bring up the pass percentage in the upcoming board examinations. We'll be giving them chances to appear board exam twice in a year.
Housing Minister Marcus Marak has given a clean chit to the department facing allegations of issuing orders to a firm to supply corrugated aluminium roofing sheets without calling for tenders. Referring to an RTI reply, the HYC alleged that the Departmental Tender Committee under the Housing Department, along with the Director of Housing, unilaterally issued supply orders to Haryana Iron Works Private Limited for an amount of Rs 188.88 crores without calling for any tender or quotations. The minister said the group had earlier complaints about the poor quality of the corrugated aluminium roofing sheet, and an inquiry was conducted accordingly.
Party is empaneled for 2 years. We don't have to go for the tendering process. So that is why we have given order for the earlier firm, for the official processes that has been prepared. Okay. Department is examining the matter, and then the file will be sent to me.
As part of the celebration of Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary and its celebration of Swachhata Hi Seva program, the Office of the Executive Engineer PHE Maukarwat Division, Southwest Khasi Hills District launched 11 e-vehicle under the Swachh Bharat mission. K. Nongbasao, Executive Engineer PHE Maukarwat Division, handed over these vehicles to the Cluster Village Waste Management of Ranikor CNRD block. These vehicles will help to bring about cleanliness in the villages, as these vehicles will help to collect the non-biodegradable waste from each village and will be put at collection centers. As part of the Swachhata Hi Seva Campaign 2024, NEPCO has decided to adopt the tourist hub at Dimpep for 1 year. Detailed plans are being developed for waste management, sustainable initiatives and other requirements in consultation with the Dorba Shnong Dimpep. The project was officially launched yesterday with the inauguration of the illumination of the Duan Singh's Aim Bridge in the Dimpep Maukdok Valley by Padma Shri awardees Patricia Mukhim and Silbi Pasat, along with the Dorbar of Dimpep and the Ministry of Himasora. To commemorate the occasion, saplings were planted and dustbins were distributed to all vendors in the area. The East Khasi Hills Local Taxi Owner and Driver Association held a successful meeting with Rangbak Shnong to tackle traffic issues in Maukara and surrounding areas. President Wandon Bok Jirwa expressed optimism about the meeting's outcome, citing productive discussion on easing traffic congestion. To address concern, the union will station volunteers at Motpran to regulate traffic, particularly at the entrance to Mission Compound. Additionally, drivers violating traffic rules will face legal consequences.
Naglan dumi nga sime ko extenja ba ngani bu do volunteers hangte ya po mokhar motran te kalau kalah menolak permission waktu baru tu penuh menginjau penting kan tu bangun yang ini kali mak kino ki drivers ki ba penkhanya kini ki kendon ki ba ngi labu nagleng jami keseng hi ngirakan sai hakmat kedorba kolong ba ngin phak be chakaan ai ba kaan kan le ya keberangkam.
A special Gram Sabha meeting was held at Umtang village under the Jirang CNRD block. The meeting was held on the directive of the government through the Ministry of Panchayati Raj in collaboration with the state CNRD department. Jirang MLA Sostenus Sotun graced the occasion as chief guest. During the program, the village level development plan was explained. Besides the VLDP, there has also been the commitment of the SHGs through the village organization to the Village Poverty Resilience Plan prepared by the SHGs and the VO. The plan was submitted to the headman of the Umtang village. A special Gram Sabha meeting was also held at Mau Kara Nongkadat village in eastern West Khasi Hills district. Umtang village and Mau Kara Nongkadat village are the two villages among the 700 villages that has been selected to conduct such a program. South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai yesterday donated Rs 9 lakh of his 5-month salary to 29 puja committees of Shillong. Speaking on the occasion, he said that there is no provision in the government to sanction funds for religious purpose and hence he distributed his salary for the purpose.
Statement 1952, where I was not born, through Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy, I will hand over this 9,01,000 rupees to my office secretary, Rajesh Rahapal, and the secretary of the Monitoring Implementation Committee 19 South Shillong, Anthony Marwen. They will start distributing this money to all 29 various puja committees.
Nongstoin police yesterday recovered a lifeless body from Wariat River of Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills district. The deceased has been identified as Herbert Maule, a 39-year-old resident of Temyo, New Nongstoin. Maule had been reported missing on September 28. He was known to be an auto truck driver in Nongstoin Market. At the time of his disappearance, his sandal and mobile phone were found abandoned in his vehicle. The cause of death is yet to be ascertained as authorities are working to retrieve the body from the river. And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded 17.1 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature recorded 20.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%. Relative humidity in the evening was 100%. Rainfall 5.2 millimeter. The forecast: light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at most places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launches Green Plus Meghalaya initiative and distribute focus program checks in Tura. Justice Indra Prasanna Mukherjee sworn in as Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays foundation stone for Eklavya Model Residential School in Maulin Triang. Government to introduce QR code initiative for key subjects in schools, says Education Minister. And Meghalaya government targets academic improvements in low-performing districts. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Thank you for joining us. Have yourself a good night.